Guys, you are welcome once again to my channel, Morning Matter channel, where we learn about soap production, skincare and other cosmetics. Okay, today I will be putting on this handcrafted soap. It's simple, it's straightforward, and then if it's what you like to see, you are in the right place. Thanks to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time, you are welcome. Let's quickly dive into the production. Okay, in this production I'll be using two different types of oil. Of course, you can mix more than one oil. You can use different oil to make your soap. Okay, in this one I'll be using both tallow oil and then PKO. Okay, you can see the oil and make sure that your oil is warmed. When you want to produce, warm the oil so that it doesn't form thick trace. Okay, this one you see is the tallow oil, 700 grams of tallow oil. Okay, it helps to make soap strong. It's the one that hardens your soap for you. It makes your soap last very much. And here is my PKO, 300 grams. The PKO allows it to lather well. Okay, so combining both of them, you'll be able to have strong, lasting soap, and at the same time, the soap that lathers well. Okay, so with the combination of this oil, you are good to go. And here is my caustic soda. I've pre-soaked it so that the production can be fast. I use 144 grams of caustic soda. Okay. Of course, and I shared the water, and I'm using 400 grams of water. The caustics I use is 144 grams. And of course, the second container contains soda ash. And the soda ash is half of the caustic soda, which is 172. So I share the water into two, and I soak both caustic soda and soda ash in it. And here is it. I've mixed the oil, the two oil, the palm kernel oil and the tallow oil. Mix both of them together. Remember, I say we must warm it. That it just make it a bit warm. Okay. And then the first one I'm going to pour is the soda ash solution. Okay, so that is the first one you pour before the caustic soda solution. So as you pour it, you mix it, pour it gradually and mix it. Remind us that I run online classes. Reach me on the number written on your screen and you'll be added to the group. So still adding the soda ash solution into it, and then as you pour, you mix. As you pour, you mix. I've always told us to avoid thick trace. So once your batter is in a medium trace, you are going to quickly pour it. Okay, so still mixing with the soda ash solution. At this time, it's called batter. It's like pap, you know, the pap-like texture of your soap mixture is called batter. So having mixed it thoroughly, and I pour my light solution there, the caustic solution. Okay, as you pour, you mix. As you pour, you mix. Okay, and to remind us that I have this ebook, very, very important. It's an handy book. You need it. I have over 30 recipes there, and I have some of the questions that bother soapers answered there. Question of how is my soap like this? How does my soap sweat? How does my soap separate? And so many questions there. And of course, I have some chemical vendors addresses in every part of the state in the nation. And of course, if you have attained to the extent of collecting your NAFDAC registration, you can get the addresses of where you are going to get them. Okay, You have so many recipes to learn there. It's very cheap. Reach me on that number written beside it. You will definitely get your own. Okay, still mixing the chemical, and then as much as possible I want to avoid thick trace. Okay, if you have watched to this stage and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that each time I upload good content like this, you'll be among the first set of people to watch. Okay, I'll be adding 3 types of colors. So what do? I put some of the butter in 3 places. Can you see? It's still medium trace. See, medium trace, so that before I finish mixing all the colors, it won't form too thick. Okay, I'll be using different color, blue, green, and the red color. Okay, so each of the colors, you add them and mix them. Okay, so I haven't dropped the colors in the, just turn it. Okay, though the plate is a bit small, it's a bit small, maybe you can just drop little butter there. Okay, mix it. Okay, so that is the red color there, the red color. I have blue, I have green, I have red color. Okay, so having mixed the 3 colors, what next am I going to do? Get my butter, my mold. Okay, to put there. If you have found this why not give it a thumbs up? Okay, and I'll give it a like, share the video, let it reach other people that need it. Okay, you know, wasting time on it will make your batter. Okay, it's time to mix the colors together. Don't mind this, my container is a bit smaller for my soap. Okay, just pour the green one, mix it a bit, then pour the blue one, mix it a bit. Sorry for the messy table. Then pour the red one and mix it a bit. Okay, but avoid it from being thick like this. I stay so long on it, and so it thickens up. Though it's still okay, it still came out very well. Okay, this is how it looks like. And then just a little dressing. Okay, you can make your own dressing better than this, just use your discretion. Okay, okay, yes, the way I later put the spoon to straighten the hair wasn't coming out, that's why it looks like this. So it's time to mold it after it has stayed for about 6 hours. Okay, you can leave your own as long as 6 hours, 24 hours. And so this how it came out. Okay, you can see how it came out, and so you can cut it to any shape you want. Now you can cut it just to penetrate and see. Let's see how it came out very well. You can see it's very strong because of the presence of tallow in it, so your customers will not say your soup is soft. You see, can you see the design inside it? It's coming out so well. If you are here to subscribe, why not subscribe and join on our online classes? Let's talk there, let's learn. Oh, beautiful, it came out well. I love the design. What are you waiting for? Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Is bye for now.